What's the difference between concessions and incentives, and how can knowing that save you thousands in buying a home right now? If you're buying in today's market, especially a new build in Flagler County, this information you can't afford to skip. My name is Aurora Dregory. I'm your local real estate professional, and let's dive in. Because while prices may not be crashing, builders and sellers are negotiating. But here's the catch. The deals are happening quietly for buyers who know what to ask for. Stick around because I'm breaking down the difference between concessions and incentives, showing you how to spot a deal and why this window won't last forever. So what are concessions and incentives, and why do they matter? A concession is when a seller agrees to give something up, whether that's paying part of your closing costs, covering repairs, or helping with rate buydowns to make this deal happen. An incentive is more like a bonus up front, something builders or sellers offer willingly to attract buyers, like free upgrades, warranties, or even price reductions. Either way, that's money in your pocket or benefits you normally pay for out of pocket. That means in this shifting market, you have leverage, but only if you're paying attention. Look, with rising prices over the past 5 years, builders and sellers still have a profit, but they're willing to sweeten the deal to move inventory. This isn't about a market crash, it's about having negotiation power again. But if you still don't know what's available, you're at risk of overpaying or missing out. Let's say you're buying a new construction home, and instead of asking for a price cut, your agent, me, might negotiate a 2-in-1 rate buydown, a $10,000 in closing cost, a gourmet kitchen upgrade, a washer and dryer included. That's hundreds a month you're saving. On the resale side, we could be asking for repairs, appliances, or seller-paid warranties. These aren't advertised on Zillow. You can only get them when you know what to ask for. Here's the thing, this leverage won't last forever. As interest rates shift and inventory balances out, the deals disappear. This is your profit window. Don't miss out by waiting or walking in without a strategy. If you're thinking about buying in Flagler County, especially a new build, let's talk strategy. I know where the deals are, how to ask the right questions, and how to get the most of your money. Schedule a call, drop a comment, or check out the links below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with somebody who's thinking about buying this year. See you next time.